And this is why Nitto is the king of mud. Nitto Trail Grapplers and these 325, 60, 20s. I'm gonna show you something that doesn't happen that often here at my shop. His tires don't even need to be swapped off. They're in perfect shape. Right now that he has them on his truck, and I'm gonna show you right now what we're gonna put on for him. Check it out. We have one here. They're so pretty. We're gonna cut them right now. Both all in perfect shape. And these are the new ones. Now, these tires will last a long time. If you got good suspension, there's no issues with your truck, these tires will wear out really nicely. And you still got a lot of beef on these. You won't get this kind of wear unless you have a strong tire like Nitto and a good setup that doesn't have any issues. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so we're done already with this beautiful, beautiful Denali. Just kidding, it's not Denali.